Welcome to the video on chemistry in daily life. From your morning tea to your nightly sleep, our world is filled with amazing chemicals. Chemistry is not limited to labs. Our universe and bodies are composed of chemicals. Chemistry is involved in daily activities like digestion and in meeting basic needs like food and shelter. Starting your day with clean chemistry. Toothpaste contains abrasives like aluminum oxide and silica to clean teeth. The base in toothpaste neutralizes the acid produced by bacteria, which causes damage. Let's explore the working of soap. Soap molecules have two parts: a hydrophilic head attracted to water and a hydrophobic tail attracted to oil and dirt. These form a micelle structure, which washes away dirt with water. When washing clothes, the difference between soap and detergent lies in their source and reaction to hard water. Detergents are more effective in hard water, but some can pollute the environment. Cooking is a complex chemical process. The Maillard reaction creates flavor and aroma. Spices not only add flavor but also possess antioxidant and disease-fighting properties. Chemistry is key in food preservation. Salt and sugar preserve food through osmosis, killing bacteria. Vinegar's acetic acid lowers the pH, and chemical preservatives like sodium benzoate prevent spoilage. Cooking utensils are made from alloys like stainless steel, which is rust-resistant. Brass, bronze, and Teflon, a non-stick polymer, are also essential in the kitchen. Now let's explore health and medicine and how chemistry keeps us healthy. Analgesics and antipyretics like paracetamol and aspirin reduce pain and control fever. Aspirin also thins the blood, reducing the risk of heart attacks. Antibiotics, discovered by Alexander Fleming, work by destroying bacterial cell walls. Remember, antibiotics only work on bacteria, not viruses, and overuse can lead to resistance. Antacids treat heartburn caused by excess hydrochloric acid in the stomach. Milk of magnesia, a mild base, neutralizes this excess acid, providing relief. In cosmetics, chemistry is vital. Moisturizers are emulsions of oil and water. Talcum powder contains magnesium silicate to absorb sweat. Sunscreens use chemicals like titanium dioxide to block UV rays. Polymers and plastics are widely used, but since they are non-biodegradable, recycling is crucial. Examples include polythene, PVC, and nylon, used in packaging, piping, and textiles. Glass is actually a supercooled liquid, not a true solid. It is primarily made of silica. Common types include soda glass and heat-resistant borosilicate glass, used in labs and kitchens. Agrochemistry is important for feeding the growing population. Fertilizers like NPK provide essential nutrients. Pesticides protect crops from pests and diseases. Use these chemicals responsibly for environmental protection. Batteries convert chemical energy into electrical energy. Lithium-ion batteries power modern devices. Fuels like petrol, diesel, and LPG are hydrocarbons that release energy when burned. Acid rain is formed when factory emissions of sulfur and nitrogen oxides mix with rainwater. Green chemistry aims to reduce pollution by promoting the use of environment-friendly chemicals. In conclusion, chemistry is not just a subject, it's the foundation of our lives. With awareness and proper use, chemistry can make our lives easier, healthier, and safer. Thank you for watching this video.